Robin!
Hi everybody!
It's Scot.
And Israela. Who likes getting up early in the morning? What about you, Scot? Do you like getting up early in the morning?
Nah.
What about in the winter?
Even worse. And Robert Burns didn't like it either. He even wrote a song about it called Up in the Morning Early.
Up in the morning's no for me. Up in the morning early, when all the hills are covered with snow. I'm sure it's winter fairly, cause the wind frae east to west, the drift is driving sairly. Say loud and chills, I hear the blast. I'm sure it's winter fairly. Up in the morning's no for me. Up in the morning early, when all the hills are covered with snow. I'm sure it's winter fairly. The birds sit chittering in the thorn, all day they fare but sparely, and langs the nicht frae e'en to morn. I'm sure it's winter fairly. Up in the morning's no for me. Up in the morning early, when all the hills are covered with snow. I'm sure it's winter fairly. Up in the morning's no for me. Up in the morning early, when all the hills are covered with snow. I'm sure it's winter fairly.